Hello there. It's been a while since I reached out, but thing is, I have been busy. I've been busy in a, and I've been busy. I have been busy in a good way. I've been busy building something that will help people to build the right project for to get a good job, and I'm excited about it. So here's the thing: most people ask you to build something so that you can get the project experience, and then that will help you get a job. But they don't tell you what. Now you can search in Google or even ask ChatGPT to get a list of projects that will help you, create a project. But how do you know it is the right project for you at the particular stage that you are in? And how do you know if that project is really going to help you in the job search that you are doing? Because at the end of the day, the building a project requires investment in time and energy. It and if you don't get the result that you are looking for, you will feel frustrated and you will feel that you're not going anywhere with your career. So what I've done is I wanted to address this problem firsthand. I created a framework that will help you select the right project. The framework is called PACE, PACE. So P stands for planning, A for analyze, C create, and E for execution. Now, there are a lot of steps to implement this particular workshop. So what I've done is I've created a free workshop where I go in depth of this framework so that you will be able to apply these steps in the next project that you're selecting. And that way you will be able to select the right project for yourself. The reason is at the end of the day, it does not help your case if you build a project that everyone else creates. You need to create a project that stands out from the competition. So click on the link near this video so that you can register for this workshop. Now here's the thing, there could be a scenario where the workshop timing does not suit you. Let me know on that one and we'll see how I can make that work together for you. Thank you. Bye.